Hey guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Today we're going to be trying some Korean style mini wonton chicken and vegetable dumplings. Let's get into the video. Here's one for you.
Thank you.
And let me get mine.
Girl, you are so bougie. Alright, you ready? 3,
2, 1, 0.
Tastes like an egg roll. Wait. That's not that bad. I've never had one of these before. Okay, thumbs up.
Mine is
thumbs
definitely
down.
a thumbs up.
You gonna eat another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're very good with chopsticks.
They're probably good with like some soy sauce or something like you can dip them in. Alright, thumbs up or thumbs down? Good.